MI-394, the Beast, heavy-duty TV wall mount installation. Use a stud finder to locate the drywall studs and mark the desired installation location with a pencil. Hold up the wall template to the wall. Verify the horizontal alignment with a bubble level. Then, mark the 6 lag bolt installation locations, trying your best to place them in the center of the studs. Use a 7/32 drill bit to drill pilot holes into the wall. For concrete or brick wall installation, mark the 6 lag bolt installation locations on the wall. Use a 3/8 drill bit to drill pilot holes to a depth of at least 2.6 inches. Then, insert the provided wall anchors into the holes. Secure the wall plate to the wall with the provided lag bolts and washers. Attach the 2 TV brackets to the back of the TV by using the appropriate size screws and washers for your TV. Lift the TV up and hang the TV brackets on the wall to mount the extension bars. Secure the TV brackets on the mount by attaching the 4 safety brackets as shown. Use the integrated cable management clips on the arms to route the cables to the back or the side of the TV.